this one's very nice.
What's it made of?
It's made of leather. But leather is too heavy for me. And it's too expensive.
How about this one? This isn't heavy.
This is plastic. It's lighter, but it's too light. It can't take the battering. And look, it's too small.
Oh.
Now this is a new design. It's a good size. 24 inches by 14 inches by 10 inches. It's made of strong nylon. It's light, but not too light.
How much does it weigh?
Not more than 5 pounds. It's small enough to go under a seat on a plane, yet big enough to carry a suit, a few shirts, and a computer notebook.
Wow.
It's got a handle. It's got wheels.
How much does it cost? Is it expensive?
Not too expensive. $120.
So you recommend this one?
Recommend it? I have one just like it.